let's solve this 41 squared minus 39 squared. We can solve this in two ways. Expanding 41 times 41. So 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 4 is 4, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 4 is 16. Then adding them will result to 1681. Next, let's work on 39 squared. So 39 times 39. So 9 times 9 is 81, carry 8. 9 times 3, 27, plus 8 is 35. Then 3 times 9 is 27, carry 2. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11. So 351 plus 117 will result to 1521. Subtracting this, 1681 minus 1521. So 1 minus 1 is 0, 8 minus 2 is 6, then 6 minus 5 is 1. So the answer is 160. Or we can solve it by using difference of two squares. So we all know that 41 squared and 39 squared is difference of two squares. So let's use 41 plus 39 times 41 minus 39. So in this case, if we add 41 plus 39, so 1 plus 9 is 10, 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 1 is 8. So 41 plus 39 is 80. Then let's move on to 41 minus 39. So 41 minus 39 will result to 2. Then 80 times 2 is 160. So the answer is the same whether you expand it or use difference of two square. That's all. Thank you.